Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. Before a few weeks ago, all of who feel like say Intence did bust and him a make money and him a make millions, believe me, you got that wrong. Intence just bust, and me soon tell you why. Popcaan, they not the media no from what they are. And if you ask me, for most side, it is not anything good. Whether it is from his behalf or somebody else's behalf. But we see him make a post what they are where a lot of people seems to miss, but as you don't know, me no miss nothing. And even if me no forward and talk about it, it's just me choose not to talk about it. But we have a post of Popcaan met the other day where we definitely have to talk about. Sting, honestly, me feel like say it is a waste of time for day so and say me a talk about Sting. But me have to mention something about what everybody said the other day. Because we see him speak out for the first time officially since Sting when him go on stage TV. And him say some things where we have to talk about it. Because right now, a whole heap of artists are get beaten. Whole heap of artists will get left for the next thing. And every day you just sit down and take the bashing where everybody are game in basically a hit back at enough people, the newspaper, the media, everything. I want to definitely go and hear about it. But before I go further in the details, may I ask you to do me one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you will be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. You want to watch the video and like the video, but please do it literal, do it physical. Press the like button and give this video a like. We'll get straight into it. So as I said earlier in the intro, Intence just bust. All of who feel like say the man didn't make the real millions and Intence was a bust artist, the man just bust. And this is why me say that. About 2 weeks ago or close to 2 weeks ago, we see Iwater make the post here. And it just basically send the youth a road. When me look good, me notice say yo, the boss just received him American work permit, which is basically him American visa and can fly go America. Enough artists, some of our biggest artists them in Jamaica right now cannot do that. And we don't know. America, you cannot really do without America as an artist if you really want to make the millions. Because yesterday shows them where you go rack up the money, rack up the crowd, and that's where you have to go. And even if I know America you go, America is like a travel hub. So you're gonna need to channel through America to go yes and go this. So yo, it is really a good look. I'm glad say the man get him work permit. Because enough artists in Jamaica right now, big artists, we cannot go to America and wish them did have a work permit where them can at least travel through America if go somewhere else. Whole heap of food stop because of that. So yo, Intence, me glad to see that and big up yourself. Go and go take on the world now, me G. Go and go make the real millions. Bless up. So Popcaan make a post what here, and me don't want to be the person who misinterpret it or comprehend it wrong. But him post a few pictures with himself and Tony and Sing and some of my other friend them. But the caption was what said it all. The caption said more than the pictures. For the caption him say, defeat the struggles cause we never give up. And then him put a comma. Him go on by saying, being at the top is kinda lonely. You know what I mean? You see the part they say being at the top is kinda lonely is a powerful line that. A powerful phrase. I'm not even going to read no more at the caption. More uno tell me what exactly Popcaan mean when he say being at the top is kinda lonely. Is it a case where he must say, yo, him need a female with him by his side? Probably that's why him take on Tony and Sing. Yo, him reach them time, them reach them stage where him need to have somebody solid in his life where he can build and make life with. And that Popcaan mean, or he mean say, him at the top of dancehall, literally, in the above Alkaline, the above Vybz Kartel, him the above Bounty Killer Beanie Man and all of them in a dancehall. And when him look left, him not see nobody. Him look right, him not see nobody. So currently, him alone, they are the top of dancehall. Nobody know the pan him level. And that it mean want to tell me down below in the comment section, because as me say, me don't want to be the one we are misinterpret it or comprehend it wrong and make it look like say yo, me just a try to bash Popcaan and I say Popcaan say him there at the top of dance hall and nobody not on him level. I know that's what me I say, but want you tell me what you think. And in the meantime, speaking about Popcaan, and I don't know me just mention Vybz Kartel name. Me I go use this time to wish the real boss a happy birthday. Hope say yo, it's a birthday where him actually enjoy even though you don't know in the behind bars. So that hard. And me also hope say whatever him the behind bars for and him a fight for him freedom, it is not true. And him will bust off the case and dear road for him next birthday if he is innocent. Back to basic. And to Sting now, Jaja, me not even know if it talk, cause to tell you the truth, me really not really don't mention Sting again. But as what me say, every day, one of the promoter and organizer of Sting speak out for the first time since the show on December 26, 2022. We see him appear on stage with Winfred Williams and them ask him a bag of thing as it regards to Sting. But as usual, once every day they in an interview, every day the most of the talking. Which yes, the person that interview said the person that go ask you one line and you respond with a paragraph. But yo, every day not really give people for talk when him they in an interview. So him see a lot of things. And based on what every day say, enough artists are gonna get dropped for next year. The 40 and the 50 artists that will get booked for this thing, it will never happen again. But me no feel like say every day did need this thing for say it was a huge mistake for book so much artists. Come on, the writings were on the wall. Everybody has said to even the interview where him do it, the fix. The female ask him say, why book so much artists? You don't think of not booking so much artists? And him grown and him give him reasons as to why. And see it there, it come and it proves say yo, so much artists never necessary. So that's one of the thing where every day say so much artists now go get booked next year. Him also go on to blame the newspaper for what go on as thing. The man I blame the newspaper and the man I blame the fans. Say yo, are the people them ask for this newspaper link him a call him yo. You need to put on Amari and Queen. You need to do this. You need to do that. And him just listen to the request of the newspaper and of the fans and put them past thing. But every day, yo, as I say, me not even want to continue to talk about this. So right now, the last thing what me I go speak of as it regards to Sting, cause this no make no sense. Him blame the artist and them entourage for what go on a Sting, which me understand that to a certain extent, because as what him say, run a which part the fight and everything that go on, nobody run a front no know say nothing go on. I just run a back like a brawl go on or whatever. So me now go say no, you're wrong. But you also said everybody enjoy themselves. Every day, me I go end this video by asking you one question. Did you enjoy Sting? You see, if you enjoy Sting, then we can kind of use it to fit in everybody. Even though it don't really make no sense, you know. But if you genuinely sit down and look back on Sting, look on everything we go on and say, yes, me enjoy Sting, then your question can be answered, and also what you say about everybody enjoys Sting might be true. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, you have come to the end of another report. Please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber. Browse the channel, check out all of the recent uploads, and just let me know what you think. Bless up. Everywhere we go, tell them I say, I love it so. Them hear my voice on the stereo.